Greetings to Miss Mel and my fellow classmates. So today our group will present about risk management and emergency plan. So before we start, we would like to introduce ourselves. My name is Nicolene Yvonne.
My name is Mivian.
And my name is Ainur Shahinda.
So here's the table of content. We will explain about potential risk for before, during and after the event, emergency plan for each phase of the event, step in risk management for each risk, and lastly, emergency exit plan. Now, before the event begins, we must be ready for possible risks. These include late delivery of equipment or materials, poor promotion that causes unclear registration, and even miscommunication between the setup team, participants, or judges. To prevent this problem, we prepared an emergency plan. First, we check the whole safety, including exit and fire hazard. Second, we test the audio-visual, lighting, and electrical equipment to avoid technical issue. We also need to confirm that the fire extinguisher and emergency lighting are available. Finally, we make sure all exits are clearly marked and unlocked. By doing all these steps before the event, we can start with confidence and safety.
Is potential risk on during the event, sudden loss of electric or multifunction equipment such as microphone, projector lighting could disrupt presentation or competition. Unprepared or nervous students may first forget their line or struggle with live demonstration under pressure. Overcrowding at entry, exits, or access point, or lack of clear sign could lead to confusion or safety hazard. Next is after on the event, potential risk, negative feedback from participants or guests because of the poor organization and lack of support could harm future events. Losing important documentation such as score participant. Detail due to poor data handling. Next, fail to restore Dewan Refresha to its original condition could lead to fine or damage relationship with the venue suppliers. The emergency plan after the event, disconnect power sources before dismantling any electric setup. Inspect the area for any damage or existing danger. Next, update emergency procedure and record lesson gained. Lastly, distribute survey to guests asking for the opinion about comfort and safety on an event.
During the event, there should be a simple step risk management. Firstly, there will be a technical failures during the event. This could be problems with the audio visuals, internet, or equipment. To avoid this, we must test everything during setup and before the event starts. Also, always prepare backup devices and printed materials. Next, there will be also have health and safety incident during the event. So, safety comes first, and we should give safety briefings to all the participants. Make sure all the staff are trained well, and first aid kits are on site. And don't forget the emergency exit must be clearly marked and the pathways kept clear. Then, to handle poor crowd management, should use clear signage and floor plans. We also need to observe how the crowds move and adjust the signs or any barriers when needed. Lastly, to stay on track, we can use timers and MCs to avoid schedule overrun. We can remind everyone about punctuality, especially the participants and the judges, and it helps to assign a timekeeper for each segment. So, in short, testing equipment, ensuring safety, managing crowds, and controlling times are the key steps to manage risk effectively. The first picture is the sketch for the Dewan Referential Emergency Exit Plan before being converted into image. This plan has 6 exits and 1 main exit to the emergency assembly point. It also has first aid station. When there is injured person, they should go to the station for further treatment.
Thank you, and that's all from us.